What if one small choice could change your whole life? Welcome to my channel. Hello, everyone. Today, I will tell you a simple but powerful story about hope and never giving up. There was a boy named Leo. He lived in a small village with his poor family. Their house was old, and when it rained, water came inside the room. Leo's father worked as a daily worker, and his mother cleaned houses. They worked very hard, but money was never enough. Every morning, Leo walked to school with old, torn shoes and a broken bag. Other children laughed at him, and he felt very sad. Sometimes Leo cried alone, but he never stopped going to school. He believed that education could change his life. One evening, Leo found an old book on the road. The cover was dirty, but the title said, "Believe in Yourself." That night, Leo read the book under a small lamp. The words touched his heart, and he felt new hope inside him. Leo started waking up early and studying harder every day. He helped his parents and focused on his dreams. Months later, the school announced the exam results. Leo was scared, but the teacher smiled and told him he was the top student in his class. Leo ran home and shared the news with his parents. His mother cried with happiness, and his father hugged him with pride. That night, Leo looked at the sky and smiled. He understood that life is hard, but if you believe in yourself, you can change your future. If this story touched your heart, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple English stories. Thank you for watching.